Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica FitzGerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today I am very excited for our video. We have a very exciting brand that I have never worked with before. As you can tell from the title, we are working with 111 Skin. Now, this is a brand whose hub is located overseas in London, and this brand has a million products that range from all different types, from low budget to extremely high budget, from super simple needs to very extreme needs for the skin. So today I have their Sub-Zero Depuffing Energizer Facial Mask to kind of test out how I feel about the brand before I dive in and buy their very expensive stuff. And I will be testing this out with y'all today and seeing what I think about it. I am so incredibly intrigued by this brand because the creator of it, the designer of it, is a board certified surgeon. So he knows what our body needs, what our skin needs to look its most aesthetically pleasing. So he has formulated all of these. His name is Dr. Yanis. He's like one of the most famous surgeons ever. And with just a little bit of stuff that I've read about 111 Skin, what I read about him, it really seems like this mask and all the other products are going to stand out on another level of their performance. So if you are ready to see how this mask works, to learn a little bit more about 111 Skin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's hope this works. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this kind of short because I know y'all want to get to the face mask review, but this is a face mask that once I put it on, I cannot really talk or do anything once it is on. And I wanna share a little bit about the skincare brand before I put it on. So like I said, I'm gonna keep it really fast. But just to read a little bit to y'all about Dr. Yanis. So he is an American and European board certified plastic surgeon. Dr. Yanis pioneers in aesthetic treatments, and he has developed the inaugural healing serum to help restore, reset, and rejuvenate the skin and body. So just a little bit about their beginning. I honestly found this so cool, which is why I wanted to share it with y'all. I feel like it's gonna make us appreciate skincare a little more. But it says, after inserting a pure collagen spun soaked in NaC under the skin of a surgical patient to accelerate healing, Dr. Yanis elevated the formula for his non-surgical patients. From there, NaC Y2 was born, a complex that includes a trio of actives with superior antioxidant capabilities. The superior results in doing this included epidermal strengthening, scar reduction, and a more youthful appearance. Used as the core of every product in the reparative range and included in several other ranges, basically something that 111 Skin, Dr. Yanis can bring is clinically inspired skincare that addresses real life concerns. So obviously, being a plastic surgeon, this doctor does a lot of work underneath the skin, and it seems like he just brought the approach that he does under the skin for his surgical patients into a skincare form that can be done on the outside of the skin to really strengthen the skin, as I mentioned, reduce the appearance of scars, and give us the best nutrients possible. So all of that being said, this mask should change my life. Now, to just highlight a little bit about this, I promise I'm almost done. I hope this is not too long. This is the Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Mask. It is a two-piece, full-face hydrogel mask formulated to alleviate signs of puffiness and fatigue, which, if you look close on my face, I got a little bit of that going on. It's infused with peptides, enzymes, and caffeine. The multifunctional formula includes a powerful tetrapeptide, I'm not even gonna act like I know what that is, to help reduce puffiness, hydrate, and tighten. The complexion is left looking refreshed and reinvigorated. So I am expecting to look like I just had surgery and I have new skin after this mask. And friendly little note, if you are doing this mask with me, once you are done using this mask, it does say to not wipe off the excess serum on here. Leave it on your skin, pat it in, and you want your skin to absorb it. So don't wipe it off because there's a lot of good stuff in here. Now, this mask is $32, which is quite a lot for one face mask. One. I mean, y'all have seen me review other, if you've watched videos in the past of mine, other sheet masks or face masks like this. And normally they're in like the $4 to $15 range. $15, $16, $17, kind of pushing it, if you will. Just because you only get one use out of this. So this being $32, I do have very high expectations for this. Now, this brand kind of confused the heck out of me when I first looked at it because I found products from as cheap as $15, which they have some eye masks that are $15, all the way up to, I don't think y'all are ready for this, $800. Yes, you heard that correctly. They do create an $800 serum, which I don't know if I'm ever gonna get to the point of testing that on this channel because I can't even process that. Yeah, the day that I review that serum, y'all know I will have made it. Hopefully we can be chatting about how funny this video is of me like in awe of an $800 serum. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know because I was blown away. So this does have a big range. By all means, I don't want that number to scare y'all. They have a lot of other stuff that is much more affordable. They have serums and lotions and creams and eye creams and all sorts of stuff in the $50 range, $60 range, like normal human dollar range. I just thought I would share that because it's not every day you see an $800 skincare product, and this brand has that. So that being said, I think I have talked enough. I am going to get right into putting this on. It says to put this on dry, clean skin. So my face is all clean. I did put a cleanser on it. It's pretty much prepped. I have nothing else on it. As y'all can tell, I have a couple of blemishes happening on this side of my face. Like this side of my face is fine. This side has issues. And they're kind of opened. That kind of naturally happens to me anyways when I cleanse and when I clean my face. So I will get to see if this irritates them at all. This obviously being a depuffing energizer face mask is going to do just that. You should see less puffiness. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines. It is supposed to leave my skin feeling invigorated and refreshed. And overall, my skin should have a nice firmness to it. So that is what we are looking for in this video. It does say to leave this on for 20 minutes, so obviously I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see y'all in 20 minutes, guys. You guys, I genuinely feel like my skin is so much brighter. My forehead feels like numb. It's kind of crazy. My face went almost numb with the mask on, which I'm not sure if that was supposed to happen, but it felt so incredibly good. Now I will say for my open blemishes, I definitely noticed the mask on my face. It had a little bit of a sting, but it was super tolerable, and oh my god, I feel absolutely fantastic. I seriously feel like my face is glowing. I mean, just rewind the video a couple minutes and then come back to now, and I swear y'all will see it too. And I don't know what that tingly, nummy sensation was that I had while wearing it, but I loved it. I have never felt that in another mask that I have tried ever, so that was definitely new and unexpected. And I feel like this would be a mask that I would do maybe once a month just to give my skin all the nutrients, give it that brightness, give it that firmness, give it that wake up that it needs to look great throughout my days. I am so happy with my first time results, I guess you would call it, of this mask. Seriously, my skin looks and feels awesome. So I will go ahead and link this mask down below so you can check it out. This is from my favorite skincare store, I review a ton of products from them just because I pretty much have a 100% track record of having success using products from the skin store. They just sell the best curation of products. They have the best brands, and the best brands give you the best skincare products. So one thing I want to note with Skin Store before I end this video is that they are really good about having discount codes for like always. They always have some kind of discount code or discount happening with their products. So definitely make sure you check out what the discount of the day might be, and definitely check out Skin Store. They're a bomb store. This is not sponsored by Skin Store, by the way. I just genuinely love them. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in knowing what this 111 skin mask was like, if it was worth your money, I definitely think it was. I will definitely be looking into their other skincare products now that I know I really freaking love this face mask. And other than that, guys, make sure to leave me a comment below for things you want to see on my YouTube channel in the future, and I will see you in my next YouTube video. Bye!